There's hope in your hand. Move on. It's just the beginning, my friend. Be strong, so we can